Hello and welcome to Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving into the Realme 14XC budget-friendly powerhouse designed to deliver impressive performance and long-lasting battery life. With a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display, the latest Dimensity 6300 processor, a 50MP dual-camera setup, and a 6000 mAh battery, this phone promises to offer a lot without breaking the bank. But how does it stack up in real-world performance? Let's explore the Realme 14X and see if it's worth your attention. The Realme 14X sports a clean and modern design that looks more premium than its price tag suggests. The back panel features a subtle gradient finish with Realme's branding, giving it a sleek and polished look. The phone is available in two colors, Glacier Blue and Midnight Black, catering to both vibrant and minimalist tastes. Its lightweight design, despite housing a large 6000 mAh battery, makes it comfortable to hold at just 190 grams. The build quality is solid, with a polycarbonate frame and scratch-resistant glass on the front. While it doesn't have a premium aluminum frame, Realme has ensured the 14X is both stylish and durable for its price point. The Realme 14X features a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display that delivers vibrant colors and excellent sharpness. With a 120Hz refresh rate, animations and scrolling are silky smooth, making the phone feel incredibly responsive. The 2400x1080 resolution ensures sharp details, while the display's brightness of 700 nits offers good visibility even under bright sunlight. Although it's not an AMOLED panel, the IPS LCD offers impressive color accuracy and contrast for this price range. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming on the go, the display is more than capable of delivering an enjoyable experience. Under the hood, the Realme 14X is powered by the Dimensity 6300 processor, a mid-range chipset built on a 6nm process. This processor strikes an excellent balance between performance and efficiency, making it ideal for both daily tasks and light gaming. Paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, the phone delivers smooth multitasking and fast app launches. From casual gaming to browsing social media, the Realme 14X performs without any noticeable lags. For gamers, the Mali G57 GPU provides decent performance for popular titles like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile, though it's better suited for medium settings. The software optimizations in Realme UI enhance overall responsiveness, ensuring a seamless user experience. On the camera front, the Realme 14X offers a 50MP dual-camera setup that's designed to capture crisp and detailed images. The 50MP primary sensor performs well in good lighting, delivering sharp photos with vibrant colors and decent dynamic range. Low-light photography is decent too, thanks to AI enhancements and a dedicated night mode, though it won't rival high-end devices. The secondary 2MP depth sensor is useful for portrait shots, producing good edge detection and natural-looking background blur. On the front, you get a 16MP selfie camera, which excels in well-lit environments and offers a variety of AI beauty modes to enhance your photos. Video recording maxes out at 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is adequate for social media but lacks advanced stabilization. Battery life is one of the strongest features of the Realme 14X. The massive 6000 mAh battery ensures you can easily get through a day and a half of heavy use or even up to 2 days with moderate usage. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 45W fast charging, which gets you from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. While it's not the fastest charging speed in its segment, it's more than adequate for daily use. For most users, This combination of a long-lasting battery and decent charging speed makes the Realme 14X a reliable choice for all-day productivity and entertainment. The Realme 14X runs on Realme UI 5.0, based on Android 14, providing a clean and customizable interface. Features like App Cloner, Game Mode, and Dark Mode add to the user experience, while the minimal bloatware ensures the software remains smooth and responsive. The 120Hz refresh rate enhances the fluidity of navigation, and the phone supports all the essential connectivity options, including 5G Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, making it future-ready. Priced at approximately $249, the Realme 14X offers excellent value for its features. It competes directly with phones like the Poco X5 Pro and Redmi Note 13 Pro, offering similar performance but with a larger battery. While it lacks an AMOLED display, the 120Hz IPS LCD panel and Dimensity 6300 processor ensure it holds its ground in this competitive price segment. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with reliable performance and long battery life, the Realme 14X is worth considering. So, is the Realme 14X the budget king of 2024? With its impressive display, solid performance, and massive battery, it's an excellent option for those seeking a reliable smartphone without spending a fortune. While it doesn't offer flagship-level cameras or an AMOLED display, it excels in areas that matter most to everyday users. What are your thoughts on the Realme 14X? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech insights and reviews. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy.